Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, where we review the latest gadgets and gizmos on the top 5 best NEEWER iPhone zoom lenses of 2024. If you're looking to elevate your mobile photography, these lenses are a game changer. Stay tuned until the end for an exclusive tip on maximizing image quality with the perfect zoom lens. I always make video top 5 product if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned. Be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5, the High Power 60x HD Telephoto Phone Lens. If you're tired of your smartphone's limited zoom, this powerful lens will help you capture distant subjects in stunning detail. Stick around as we'll break down its key features and performance. 1. High Power 60x Telephoto Lens. The 60x zoom is perfect for long-distance shots. Whether you're watching a sports match, concert, or exploring wildlife, this lens helps overcome the typical smartphone camera's limitations. You'll capture faraway subjects with clarity, bringing distant scenes into sharp focus without any pixelation or blurriness. 2. FMC Fully Multi-Coated Lens. This telephoto lens features multi-layer green coating on both sides, enhancing image clarity and reducing glare. Unlike typical plastic lenses, it boasts a premium aluminum alloy housing, ensuring durability. The adjustable focus ring makes it easy to get the perfect shot, even for beginners, without compromising on quality. 3. Extendable 54-inch tripod and remote shutter. The included 54-inch extendable tripod allows for steady shots and flexibility in height adjustment. The quick leg flip locks make setup a breeze. Paired with the remote shutter, you can take photos from a distance, eliminating the need to touch your phone, ensuring sharper images and stability. 4. Wide compatibility. No matter how many lenses your phone has, this lens will fit almost any smartphone. It's compatible with over 98% of mobile phones, including iPhone, Samsung, and Pixel devices, making it a versatile choice for photographers who want a simple, universal solution. 5. Portability and extras. The package includes an EVA bag, making it easy to carry the lens around during travel. Plus, the lens doubles as binoculars with the eye cup attachment. Whether you're hiking or sightseeing, this portable lens is a great companion for any adventure. Conclusion: overall, the High Power 60x HD telephoto lens is a solid investment for anyone wanting to capture detailed long-distance shots. With its high-quality optics, versatile tripod, and universal compatibility, it's a fantastic tool for both amateur and professional photographers. Thanks for watching. Number 4, the Selvim 4-in-1 Phone Camera Lens Kit. This handy kit transforms your phone into a powerful camera, offering versatility and creativity with every shot. Let's dive in. Section 1, Kit Overview. The Selvim 4-in-1 Lens Kit comes with 4 impressive lenses: a 22x telephoto lens, a 235-degree fisheye lens, a 0.62x wide-angle lens, and a 25x macro lens. Whether you're shooting landscapes, fun circular shots, or detailed close-ups, this kit covers all your bases for various photography needs. Section 2, 22x Telephoto Lens. The 22x telephoto lens is perfect for zooming in on distant subjects without losing detail. It magnifies objects while maintaining clarity, ideal for nature lovers or anyone wanting close-up shots from a distance. Imagine capturing that stunning sunset or a distant mountain. This lens makes it happen. Section 3, 230 Fisheye Lens. If you want to add some fun and creativity to your photos, the 235-degree fisheye lens offers a cool circular effect. It's great for creating surreal and dynamic images, perfect for social media or experimental photography. This lens really brings a unique twist to your everyday shots. Section 4, 25x Macro Lens. For those who love detail, the 25x macro lens is amazing. You can capture intricate textures and tiny subjects with absolute precision. Whether it's the delicate patterns on a leaf or the tiny details of a flower, this lens captures it all, giving you crystal clear close-ups. Section 5, Portability and Compatibility. This kit is not only functional but also portable. It comes with a durable case to keep everything safe while traveling. Plus, it's compatible with various smartphones, from iPhones to Android devices, making it an excellent option for anyone, no matter their phone. Overall, the Selvim 4-in-1 phone camera lens kit is a must-have for mobile photographers looking to up their game. It's versatile, fun, and incredibly easy to use. Whether you're a professional or just love taking great photos, this kit will enhance your smartphone photography. Number 3, the Pro Lens Kit for iPhone and Android. If you want to up your smartphone photography game with wide-angle and macro shots, this kit could be your next must-have accessory. Let's get into it. TrueView 0.45x wide-angle lens. The TrueView 0.45x wide-angle lens lets you capture 45% more of the scene in every photo. Whether it's landscapes, architecture, or group selfies, this lens ensures no dark corners and delivers crystal clear images. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and premium glass, it's built for durability and sharpness. Claris 15x macro lens. For those intricate close-ups, the Claris 15x macro lens is a game changer. It captures every tiny detail with precision, perfect for nature shots or product photography. To get the best results, position your phone about half an inch from the subject and watch those small details come to life. Section 3. Glow Clip Rechargeable LED Light. Low light conditions are no longer a problem thanks to the Glow Clip LED light. It attaches to your phone, providing warm, continuous lighting that's perfect for night photography or dim environments. With 3 brightness settings, you can easily adjust it to suit any situation, eliminating harsh shadows or bright flashes. Section 4. Portability and accessories. This kit comes with a travel case to keep everything organized and safe, along with a quick-release lanyard for easy access. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just out for a walk, the portability of this kit ensures you'll never miss a shot. It's designed for photographers on the go. Section 5. Compatibility and ease of use. What's great about this lens kit is its universal compatibility. It works with almost any smartphone, tablet, or even laptop. The TrueGrip clip securely attaches to your device, so there's no slipping while framing your perfect shot. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, this kit has you covered. In conclusion, the Pro Lens Kit is a powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance their smartphone photography. It's portable, easy to use, and packed with features that make capturing wide-angle and macro shots a breeze. So if you love photography, this kit is definitely worth checking out. Number 2, the APEXEL 36x HD Telephoto Lens. This powerful telephoto lens turns your smartphone into a high-zoom camera, perfect for capturing distant scenes with incredible clarity. Let's jump into the details. 36x. The APEXEL 36x telephoto lens offers an impressive zoom capability, allowing you to bring objects up to 8,000 meters away into crystal clear focus. Whether you're watching wildlife, enjoying outdoor activities, or attending a concert, this lens lets you capture distant scenes without sacrificing image quality. Section 2. Adjustable Focus. One of the standout features is the adjustable focus ring. By simply turning the ring, you can fine-tune the focus for sharp, detailed shots. Whether you're capturing the moon or a distant bird, this feature ensures that every photo is crisp and free of dark corners, a common issue with inferior lenses. Full-color 4K HD quality. The APEXEL lens is designed for quality. Made from optical glass and aircraft-grade aluminum, it delivers 4K HD image clarity. Whether you're taking photos of landscapes, buildings, or people, the lens reduces distortion and maintains vibrant colors, ensuring your shots are vivid and lifelike. Section 4. Compatibility across devices. This lens works with most smartphones, from the iPhone 13, 14, 15 Pro series to Samsung Galaxy models and even tablets. The flexible clip makes it easy to attach the lens securely to your device, so no matter what phone you have, the APEXEL telephoto lens will work smoothly. Section 5. Perfect gift option. Compact, portable, and packed with features, this lens makes an ideal gift for photography enthusiasts. Whether it's for someone who loves moon gazing or outdoor adventures, the APEXEL 36x telephoto lens is the perfect companion. Plus, it even doubles as a monocular for viewing without your phone. Conclusion. So that's the APEXEL 36x HD telephoto lens, a must-have for anyone looking to capture distant scenes in stunning detail. If you're into nature photography, sporting events, or just love traveling, this lens is for you. Grab one and elevate your mobile photography today. Number 1. The NEEWER 18mm 2x Macro Probe Lens. If you're looking to capture extreme close-ups with your phone, this lens is a game changer, especially for tight spaces and intricate details. Let's check it out. 1. Macro Probe Lens Design. The NEEWER 18mm Macro Probe Lens features a 304mm slender barrel with an 18mm focal length, making it ideal for exploring narrow spaces. Whether you're filming inside animal caves, pipes, or small objects, this lens allows you to get close to your subject while keeping a safe distance. Section 2. 2x Magnification and 100 degrees Field of View. This lens offers 2x magnification, perfect for capturing the tiniest details in sharp focus. Whether you're shooting miniature models, food, or nature scenes, it gives you stunning close-ups. Plus, the 100-degree wide field of view ensures you can include more in each frame, adding depth to your shots. Section 3. Built-in LED light water resistant. One of the coolest features is the built-in LED ring light, providing additional lighting for dark or tricky spots. Whether you're filming in tight spaces or underwater up to 200 millimeters, this lens keeps everything illuminated and clear. It's even water resistant, perfect for aquatic videography. Section 4. Versatile Lens Support Bracket. The included support bracket enhances stability for creative shooting. With an Arca-style base and threaded holes, it's easy to mount on a tripod or rail system, allowing you to capture steady, professional quality footage. Whether you're on the move or need precise shots, this bracket is a lifesaver. Section 5. Premium Build Quality. Crafted with high-definition optical glass and a durable aluminum barrel, this lens is both sturdy and scratch-resistant. The optical glass ensures clear, sharp images, while the robust build makes it reliable for outdoor adventures and professional shoots alike. Conclusion. So there you have it. The NEEWER 18mm 2x Macro Probe Lens is an essential tool for anyone serious about macro videography. With its versatility, built-in lighting, and high-quality design, it's perfect for capturing unique close-up footage. Ready to take your mobile videography to the next level? Give this lens a try. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.